The new Total Control Products Pro Power Steering Pump Kit is the first pump specifically designed and engineered for racing and high-performance use without any production car components. These race-bred pumps incorporate features like tunable flow valves, spline drive bolt-on pulleys for serpentine or V-belts, double mounting bolt patterns, ball and roller shaft bearings with new and improved pump technologies like micro-honed piston bores for quick and smooth response, plus ported low turbulence internal passages to prevent cavitation. This unique pump design is the most efficient steering pump ever manufactured. The TCP Pro steering pump kits are available with an integrated reservoir for a compact package and simplified installation, or with a remote-mounted reservoir to add flexibility for your install. Power steering reservoirs are available separately as well in either welded or billet aluminum cans. Hoses and fittings are included in the kit and also available separately. For more information, go to TotalControlProducts.com.